Yo, we got a tornado warning. First ever tornado warning recorded on a weather radio.
Has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, southern Dallas County in north central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Midlothian,
I was wondering when
moving
it'd
east
go
at 30
off.
miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and $half size hail.
I knew it. I thought it didn't want to go off, but it did. So I ended up being right. Yay.
Without shelter.
Crap.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows.
Also, by the way, this is not in our area, but we are just
This dangerous storm will be near Cedar Hill and Midlothian around 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Waxahachie, Obilla, and Oak Leaf around 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Glen Heights and Red Oak around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ennis around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Palmer around 10:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ike, Garrett, Trumbull, Pecan Hill, Boyce, Rocket, India, and Joe Pro Lake.
Joe, what?
This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 399 and 414. Interstate 45 between mile markers 251 and 270. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Usually when they say take cover now like 3 times, it means it's pretty bad. Flash flood, severe T-storm. Flash flood. Flash flood. Warning, severe T-storm watch. Alright, yeah. Oh, warning, apparently. Flash flood warning. Tornado warning. That is the first ever tornado warning recorded on the channel. Yay. Let's go. First ever tornado warning. And I don't know what I'm doing, but yep. Let's go.